Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goyal and in this video we are going to solve these equations and we have to find the value of x and y. So let's start with today's video. So our first equation is x cube plus 12xy square is equals to 679 and the second equation is 9x square y plus 12y cube is equals to 978. So I'm going to consider it as equation number 1 and this is as equation number 2. So my step 1 is I'll take equation number 2 first. So 9x square y plus 12y cube is equals to 978. So if I'm going to divide by 3 or take common 3 throughout the equation, so I'll get 3x square y plus 4y cube is equals to 326, right? If I'm multiplying throughout the equation with 2, then I get 6x square y plus 8y cube is equals to 652. And I'll take it as equation number 3. Now I am going to add equation number 1 and third. The first one is x cube plus 12xy square. So I'm adding left hand side. 6x square y plus 8y cube is equals to 679 plus 652. So 679 plus 652 is 1331. Now we know the famous identity that a cube a plus b whole cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So I can write this expression. First I'll write the third term in place of second and second in place of third to make that expression true. 1331 I can write it as 11 cube. So this is x cube plus 3 here 4xy. So 2x square y plus 3 4xy square plus 2y whole cube is equals to 11 cube. So I can use this identity and write x plus 2y. So our a is x and b is 2y. So x plus 2y whole cube is equals to 11 cube. Or I can see that both have cubes sides. So that means x plus 2y is equals to 11. Now I'm going to subtract first equation with third. So our first equation is x cube plus 12xy square is equals to 679 and our third equation is 6x square y plus 8y cube is equals to 652. If I am subtracting, I'm going to change the sign here. So I'll get x cube plus 12xy square minus 6x square y plus, minus 8y cube is equals to 27. You know the formula of a minus b whole cube. That is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square minus b cube. So I'm changing the position of 6x square y and 12x square minus 6x square y plus 12xy square minus 8y cube is equals to 27, or I can write this as x minus 2y whole cube is equals to 3 cube. 27 I can write at 3 cube. Both have cubes, so I can write x minus 2y as is equals to 3. Now this is my next equation. This is equation number 3rd, and this one is equation number 4th. With the help of 3rd and 4th, this is 4th and this is 5th. With the help of equation 4th and 5th, I can find the value of x and y. So if I'm adding equation number 4 and 5th, I get x plus 2y plus x minus 2y is equals to 11 plus 3. I can eliminate 2y with 2, positive 2y with negative 2y. So 2x is equals to 14. So x is equals to 7. Similarly, I can put the value of x in any of the equation in 4th or 5th and calculate the value of 5. So I'm taking question number 5. So x minus 2y is equals to 3. So 7 minus 2y is equals to 3. 7 minus 3 is equals to 2y. 4 over 2 is equals to y, and the value of y is 2. So we have the value of x as 7 and y as 2. I hope it's clear. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.